In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove LinkedIn connections in bulk using the quickest, most automated method possible. But why is it so important to keep your connections so lean? LinkedIn, not long ago, transformed into being what is called an interest graph, meaning that LinkedIn right now is trying to show interesting content to people outside of your network, meaning that it's almost like Instagram and TikTok for B2B people. The content is first shown to a small group of people, and then based on how they react, the algorithm decides whether your content is worth shown to a wider audience. And that's why it's so important to keep your connections so tight. So once your content is shown to them, the algorithm on LinkedIn sees that they're interested in your content, so LinkedIn starts to share it with more and more. The way I approach this is by using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Of course, you can go through your network. Right here, you would find your connections and you can filter them out like this, but I prefer LinkedIn Sales Navigator because it allows me to use more filters. Now, I'm going to click See All Filters, and here I'm going to go to connection, click first degree. I know that back in the day, I did a lot of connecting with people that are financial advisors, and I'm completely not interested in this audience right now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click financial here, search for this word, and get 799 results. So these are the people, most of them I don't want to be connected with. And before I go any further, I want to make sure that I'm not going to take out anybody who's got any personal relation with me. In this case, school, I'm going to type in, that's my people, who I studied with. I went to Trinity College Dublin, so I'm going to exclude all these people. And then another school, I'm going to take out Carlos III de Madrid, because this is where I also studied. So as you can see, I'm already down quite substantially. Next step is quite easy. All I need to do now is I'm going to copy this URL, and then I'm going to get inside the tool, which is called Link Helper 2. This is a tool that I use all the time. I recommend it to everybody. I interviewed the founder twice. We spoke on numerous occasions. I highly recommend the tool. I trust a lot. I use it all the time. What we're going to do is I'm going to go into campaigns, and then I'm going to click create campaign. I'm going to call it to delete. Then I'm going to click remove first degree connections. This is the type of the campaign that they got inside. Click continue with selected template. Click continue, and here's where I include this URL that I just used. So I'm going to click fill with LinkedIn URL. It's going inside LinkedIn Sales Navigator. As you can see, I'm far away from my computer. It's collecting these prospects that I showed it in automated manner. If you look right here on the screen, it says 25 out of 718. So it's already added 25 of those connections that I wish to be deleted from my connection list into this deletion campaign. I'm going to let it run for a couple of moments, and then I'll get back to it and show you the next steps. Linked Helper finished adding these people inside the campaign, but before I go any further, I want to make sure that I'm still not taking out anybody who I have any real connections with. To make sure that everything's fine, I'm going to go into the campaigns, and I'm already inside this campaign, so I'm going to go to lists, and this is where my 718 connections are located. I've got 100 rows here, and all I want to do right now is just to kind of skim through them real quick to make sure I'm not taking anybody out. For example, I want to keep Tony, I want to keep Paolo, I want to keep Martina, I want to keep Ozer. You get the idea. So now I'm going to do this and show you the next step. I haven't finished going through the entire list, but I'm still going to show you what to do. You can click delete right here, and they will be taken out from the campaign. So once you launch the campaign, they won't be deleted from your connection list. And I'm going to do just this. Yes. As you can see, the total number of contacts to be deleted has gone down 699. I'm going to continue a little bit further to reduce it even further, and then we'll show you the next step. Down to 673 contacts in this campaign. And the next thing I'm going to do is very simple. I've got the button that says Start Campaigns Runner. Yours will be a little bit different because I actually downloaded an additional extension to Link Helper, but it will be something similar. Everything you need to do now is going to click Start Campaign Runner, in my case, and then the campaign will run. It will be taken out approximately 150 connections every single day, because you don't want to go overboard with this limit. That's pretty much it. In a couple of days, all these connections will be gone without you doing anything else, because otherwise you'll spend a lot of time on this clicking monkey business. Subscribe to more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.